Solving systems by substitution. This is page 7, number 25. Do I have x or y already solved for? Do I have x equals something or y equals something? In the first equation, no. Second equation, no. All right, so let's call this equation 1, call this equation 2. Second question is, what variable has a coefficient of 1? Because that's sort of going to be easiest to solve for. In the first equation, x has a coefficient of 1, and in the second equation, x has a coefficient of 1. And so let's just pick one of those equations and solve for x. I'm going to pick the second one. Doesn't matter which one you pick, but in the second equation, of course, it's x minus y equal 3. To solve for x, let's add y to both sides, so that x equals 3 plus y. X equals 3 plus y, okay? Now, we're going to take this value, that expression, 3 plus y, and we're going to sub that expression into the other equation so that we can solve for the variable, okay? So this was equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x plus y. And so let's take this and plug that into equation 1. Remember, equation 1 was x plus 2y equals 6. So let's sub in what y is equal to. I know that x equals this. X equals 3 plus y, and so take this and plug it in for x, because x is that. X is 3 plus y, okay? So I take this, 3 plus y, I plug that in for x here. That's 3 plus y. Put it in parentheses. You always put it in parentheses whenever you sub it in. 3 plus y plus 2y equal 6, okay? So now I have an equation of one variable. That variable, of course, is y. Let's eliminate the parentheses by the distributive property. There's an invisible 1 right there. So when I distribute, I'm still going to have 3 plus y. Still have plus 2y equals 6. Okay? I've eliminated the parentheses. Now combine like terms. I have y and 2y, which makes 3y. Still have plus 3 equals 6. Variables on the left side get this number to the other side by subtraction. So 3y is equal to 6 minus 3, which is 3. And solve for y by dividing both sides by 3, so that y equals 1. All right, halfway there. I have what y is. Now let's get what x is. X equals what? X equals 3 plus y. And now we know what y is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that value for y. We're going to take this value for y and plug it in right there. Okay, so x equals 3 plus y. And what is y? Y is 1. So x equals 3 plus 1, which is 4, okay? So last step is to write our solution as an xy ordered pair. We write an xy ordered pair for our solution. And so we put the x value first, x then y, like the alphabet. X is 4, okay? And what is y? Y is 1. So 4, 1 is the solution to this system. This is the only ordered pair that works in both equations, and if we were to graph these lines on the coordinate plane, these lines would cross at exactly that point, 4, 1. They would cross at that point and only that point.